What are the different types of scans that one might get?
Yeah, question. So the ones we see most commonly, obviously there are a lot of types of imaging modalities, and it could take an entire episode, but I'll just kind of hone in on the most important ones. So of course, everyone knows, or most people know what a CAT scan is, right? So this is an imaging modality that uses X-rays really to create what are essentially different angles of your body to create a three-dimensional picture. Really good at looking at the lungs, looking at the liver, other solid organs, the bladder, that sort of thing. It's the test that we use most often in terms of staging and kind of monitoring response to treatment. So another modality that we use commonly are PET CTs or PET MRIs. So this would use a drug that you inject called a radio tracer, and usually that mimics something that would be active in your body. So for example, one of the most common types of PET scans that we do are FDG PETs, and FDG is glucose mimic. So that's the sugar that your body uses for energy. And not everything that lights up, quote unquote, with, this radio tracer is cancer, because our muscles use energy and glucose all the time. Our brain uses glucose to function. But typically, because cancer cells are metabolically active, that will light up on a PET scan. And there are actually other PET CTs and radio tracers that bind directly to different kinds of cancer cells. So one example is like a PMSA PET for prostate cancer, or dotatate PET for neuroendocrine tumors. And then I would say the last scan that we use quite commonly in terms of further investigating with staging or monitoring would be MRI. So magnetic resonance imaging, which really uses a magnetic field to create really quite pristine images of the body that offers really impressive contrast. It's really good for, let's say, prostate cancer, and it's good for looking at soft tissues, at some primary bone lesions. It's great for liver, pancreas, that sort of thing.
We hope you liked this video. To support cancer research and get clear, expert answers about cancer, follow us and visit crackingcancer.org to join the Cracking Cancer community.